this week we have pretty much worked on we have the images table. Then the images, instead of having the website render the images from the inventory table, it renders them from the images table. And then so that's what I've been working on. So for example, now the front image here, it's being rendered now. It's being taken from the it's coming from the vehicle's images that inside the vehicle folder. It's coming from here, right? So anyway, just to check on the objectives, the vehicle details. Okay, so the vehicle details, if we come here, let's go for the monster truck. So this is the monster truck page. It has, let's just check to see if it's not showing any errors when we wave it. And then let's check to see if the HTML meets the front end checklist. It does. So well, then let's check for the CSS. It's doing well as well, so that one is a good. So what we have done here is that we have two functions that are responsible for rendering this UI. No, three actually, three functions. So if you select a vehicle, I have a function that gets the vehicle by ID, get vehicle by inventory ID, then get vehicle images by inventory ID. So what you realize here is that the information about the details of this vehicle, the price, the name, it's coming from my inventory table, right? And now the images is coming from the images table. How do I do that? If you go to my model, I've basically altered the get vehicle by classification name. No. I have a function here, get vehicles by inventory ID. This one is only getting the image path. So it gets the inventory name, all the details about the inventory, and then it goes into the images table. Then it gets the path of the image, and then from the image, then we basically join the inventory and the images table, and then we combine those two tables. Then we get the information that we're looking for. So it's being rendered. The information on the vehicle details is coming from two separate tables. So then the images that you then see here is coming from the table, images table. Then the details here are coming from the inventory table. Then on here, when you press the navigation, it's exactly the same thing. I've altered the get vehicle by classification name to get the inventory ID, make, model, and whatnot. And then the image is coming from the main image table. Then I basically use an inner join. So then the name and the price is coming from the inventory table. Then the image is coming from the images table. That's some cool functionality that I added there. So we have a fully custom function in function which wrap the vehicle thumbnails images in HTML. Okay, this function here, instead of creating a totally new function, what I've done instead is that in my vehicle display details, I have passed another parameter, which is the image, the thumbnail. So now I have a for each loop which iterates through the image and gets all the images that are being passed within this variable, and then it creates a thumbnail. And when you then look in my on my vehicle display details, it gets a second argument, which is the vehicle thumbnails, and the vehicle thumbnails are coming from get vehicle images by inventory ID. So that's some pretty cool stuff right there. Then we move on to I've shown you the function that I've updated so that they work and bring information from two tables. Then a function that extracts the thumbnail image related to a vehicle. I've shown you that. That's the one that here. So basically that's what we did. This what I've been working on. I guess that's all.